Hi guys! Here is how you can make this copyright a dynamic year so that you don't have to update it manually. We will first show it on the Enfold theme, but it will also work with other themes. We will also show it on the default WordPress theme. Let me quickly log in. WP-admin. Enter the credentials. So we are in the dashboard. Go to Appearance and Theme File Editor. Go to functions.php. Scroll down, and we will add some codes here. So this is the code we're going to use. Simply copy it and paste it here. Update file. Now this is done. Go to Enfold. For Enfold, copyright is on the footer. Instead of using the year 2026, use the short code year and save all changes. This is done. Let me check the site. So you can see, this automatically pulls the current year. Let me show it on the other theme as well. I will switch to default WordPress theme. I will activate the 2021 theme. Let me quickly open the site. So this is the 2021 default theme. I will quickly show it how it works on the pages. Again, we have to add the code, so go to Theme File Editor. Theme Functions. Scroll down. Copy the code and paste it here. We have to paste it because it is a different theme. Update file. So it is done. I will show the demo on the page. Add page. Give any title. Add a short code. Now simply write year. And publish. And if I view page, so it is showing the current year. This will automatically update to the current year, so no manual update required. Thank you very much.